Hello everyone. So this is the today's daily question: sort vowels in a string. So the problem is to solve vowel in a string. So let's discuss the problem first here. So what we have to do is that let's say there is a string XA. Let's say lead code. Lead code. So there are some vowels and some consonant in this string. Like vowels are E, U, and E. So keeping the consonants at their original place, we have to sort the vowels in ascending order. So like if we check the ASCII value of these vowels, like E or E are equal, but ASCII value of O is between like somewhere in 60, 97. Then means like O's ASCII value is less than, it is not 97 actually. So ASCII value of O is less than E. So O will become first and then E will come in this way. So the resultant string will be O, E, lead, lead. So this is the resultant. So we have to do this only. Like we have to sort the vowels, keeping the consonant at their its own place, original place. So what how we will do? So we can do some bucket sort type of sorting. So first we will iterate the string and count the uh, frequency of each vowel. Like so, smallest vowel will be A, E, I, O, U. Then A, E, I, O, U. So all we will iterate the string and count the frequency of each vowel. Let's say 10, 5, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll iterate the string again. After counting the vowels frequency, we'll iterate the string again. And whenever we found the vowel, we will put pop over means first smallest vowel frequency. We'll check the smallest vowel available in the, like I will be using map. So map, what it does in this map, the will vowel will be key and the frequency will value will be frequency of the its key. So map will sort them in ascending order only. So the if we iterate this frequency vowel, we check the first element of frequency vowel, it will give the frequency of the smallest vowel currently. So like suppose we are iterating the string lead code. So it is constant. We will not change it anyway. Anything we will not change it. So this next character is vowel, that is E. So I have to sort the vowels here. So I will check in this, if we make the frequency map of this string, it will be something like this. E, O is 1 and rest are 0 here, and E is 3. So the map will have only O and E keys. So when I'm iterating, we find the first vowel. I check the begin of the frequency map and update it with that means character, and I decrease the frequency of the map by 1. If the frequency goes to zero, I will erase this key from the map. So next time I will not find it. Again, it is a vowel. I will check the beginning element, that is E only. So I will place the E and decrease the frequency next iteration. If the frequency of E will become 2. And next vowel will be here. Again, the this way. I will replace all vowel by I will sort all vowel using the bucket sort type of techniques. So let's see the code here. Code is like this. If you see what I have done here, the map frequency map, it is a character and integer value, character key and integer value. So I have a helper function is vowel. Is vowel checks if the current character of the string is vowel or not. I will count the increase the frequency of that vowel in the frequency map. Again, I have just copied the s into t, that is the resulted in string, that will result in a string. And again, I will iterate this string. So if the current character is vowel, I have to do something. But if it is not a vowel, I have to do nothing. So I have just checked if it is vowel, then I will process do the process. I will check the beginning of the beginning key of the frequency map and assign this to ith value in the string t. And if the frequency current frequency is one, I will remove the element. If it is not one, I will decrease the frequency by one. And then at the end, I will return the T string. So let's just check run this code. So if you see the all the test cases are passing. That's all. This was my solution. If you want to see, I will scroll it slowly. Thank you.